Want to land your dream freelance gig on Toptal? Let's get your CV ready for Toptal, a platform that values exceptional talent first. Understand what Toptal looks for in a candidate before building your CV. Step 1. Start with a professional template. Choose a clean, easy to read format. This ensures your skills and experience shine through. Step 2. Focus on relevant skills. List both technical and soft skills that align with the type of projects you are targeting. Use action verbs to describe your abilities. Step 3. Showcase your experience and include specific projects you have completed. Detail your role, technologies used, and the results you achieved. Quantitative achievements are crucial here. Step 4. Highlight your professional achievements. Certifications, awards, and any publications will definitely set you apart. Step 5. Proofread meticulously. Errors are a major turn-off. Ensure your CV is error-free, as well as tailored for the specific opportunities at Toptal. Following these steps gives you the best chance for getting your freelance aspirations off the ground. Remember to continually update and refine your CV to reflect your evolving expertise. Go at that amazing job.